Today we have a 2011 Mazak Quick-Turn Nexus 250 Roman numeral 2 with a Mazotrol Matrix Nexus control. It's got a 10-inch chuck, tool setter, parts catcher, tailstock chip conveyor. Spindle currently running at 1,000. That's 1,800. That's 2,500 RPM. Spindle's good. Parts catcher. There's our tool eye. It's a 40-inch machining length, 3-inch bar capacity. X and Z are nice and quiet. There's your tailstock. You can check our website for photos of the hours and the options. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.